Hey guys, Ryan here from Keeping It Real. Actually doing my first little build video today. I've got the Neo65. I've already disassembled it just to save a bit of time. I've got the navy. I'm going to be building this one foamless gummy O-ring with a pom plate. I've already installed the stabilizers. I've got cherry clip-ins. I've lubed them with XHTBDZ on the wire and just Krytox 205 on the housings. This is actually my second Neo that I've built, as you can see from my other videos. I've got the other one, I've built that with gutter on cream sodas, and that's got the aluminum plate TX stabs. So I thought I'd just do something a bit different here. So I've always wanted to try the cherry stabilizers, and they seem to be pretty good. I actually built this one before earlier today with the cherry MX browns. Sounded great, but I've actually got the purples in another board, so I just want a bit of variety. So I thought I'd put in the Dangkeebs birthday cake tactiles, and they I've lubed and filmed these. I've lubed them with Tribosis, and I've got the TX films on there. I've spring swapped them to TX 18mm 62 gram springs as well. I could color code these a little bit, do a bit of a pattern here. So, bit of a plug as well. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. So I'm going to be bringing out a bit more content. So it'd be good to have a bit of support. The thing I like about these boards is they're really easy to mod. They are so quick. I can sort of build this board, easily within like 20 minutes. There's no issues with that at all. So they sound great without foam, and yeah, they're just basically a great board, and they're cheap. There's no issues with it whatsoever. Doing this a little bit backwards here, but I'm just trying to get a bit of a pattern going with it. Not that it's going to matter, because we're going to be putting keycaps on there anyway. So. there's no saving him. Yeah, I actually tried this one before with the split backspace. It was quite a challenge, I have to say. I had a lot of spelling errors. It wasn't pretty at all, but thought I'd give it a go. But yeah, just not for me. You know, it's all preference at the end of the day. Split backspace isn't mine. I chose these keycaps today because they just seem to have a bit of a cleaner sound. I do love my MX Browns, but I don't know, just thought I'd give these a go. Let's go back in. Should be doing this a bit faster, but we'll get there. Chuck a little blue guy in there. Okay, so we're all done. Yeah, so when you build this one, it's a lot easier to put the ribbon cable onto the PCB first. It just makes it a lot easier getting the ribbon in there. Helps having it up the right way too. It's a lot harder getting this guy in than the gasket mount. Let it roll over like it did last time. It sort of rolled out of the from under the plate. That is all in. One thing I wish they didn't have on here was a ribbon, but we've got it. And I've got the copper weight on this one. I might actually patina this at some point, but just find the time to do it. Time for keycaps. I'm going to be using EPBT The One. I've had these ones sitting in my cupboard for a fair while, so it's good to actually get some use out of them. I'm going to say these have actually stood the test of time. These keycaps, it's the first set that I actually bought. It was like a name brand sort of set. I've had them on a few different builds. Obviously got GMK on all my other sets, but I don't know, I've always had a soft spot for these ones. so it's all done, so it looks pretty good. It actually matches pretty well. Still a little bit of flex, but not a lot. I think it's more the POM plate doing that, but definitely a lot more flex with the gasket. I'll leave you the quick sound test. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. If you could like and subscribe, share it around, that'd be greatly appreciated. Have a good one.